What's up guys? Today we're going to be doing something very similar to the last video, but I'm going to be joined by someone else. Okay, cool. So this right here is Brendon. Don't follow him on Instagram. I'm not even going to
do that. You put my hand on you.
Now. So today we are going to be doing a 1 litre Coke chugging challenge. Now that's probably too long for the video title, so I'll call it something else. Let's go. I should have shaken that.
No.
Okay. So, rules work as follows. The first person to finish the entire 1 litre wins, and you won't know what the surprise is, what the winner gets. I don't know.
Neither do I.
Me neither. I haven't thought about it. You ready for this?
No.
You really not ready?
I'm really not. Like, I've been prepping for this for a while, and I'm not ready.
His throat's about to get ruined. Want to count us down there, Logan?
3, 2, 1.
I'm dying. I don't feel good. I'm winning. Oh, so watery. I'm dying. I'm gonna vomit.
At what point have we done well enough? I'm done!
All that's for nothing. Go on your face. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys. See you next week. Don't forget to subscribe to me.
Follow that handle.
What else do you have to do?
Mop this up.
Yeah. Comment.
Like the video.
Like the video. Say it again.
Like the video.
I like that. He knows what's up. And share it.
Yes.
You know, this is quite entertaining to watch.
It is. Share with your friends.
And see you guys next week.